What is going on YouTube? Now, today we have a two-part tutorial. Number one is how I did this flawless install. Okay, look at that hairline though. What lace? Okay, period. Number two is how I did this really pretty chocolate color on this hair. Now, also we have an interesting shop talk, all right? So stay tuned for both. Now, y'all know I gotta announce my $100 monthly giveaway before we start this video. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, comment below, and then leave your Cash App. One of my subscribers is winning $100 in all the products from this video. Good luck, y'all. What is going on, you guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much, VShow. They sent me this loose deep wave lace front unit. Now, when I got the wig, it came in 1B, which is like a dark, like a natural black brownish type of color. But I dyed it this really pretty chocolate. So if you guys want to know exactly how I did this color, which was super easy, okay, I'm going to put the coloring video in the comments below. Now, for some reason, like when I do colors or when I have certain textures, it really matches with the perfect model because look at her big, pretty brown eyes. Like the color that I did on the wig makes her eye color pop out so much more, and it was just perfect. Now, of course, before I put on my lace, I cleaned off the application area with my Sea Breeze. Now I'm applying my liquid lace glue right in front of the hairline so we can attach our stocking cap. And the stocking cap that I'm going to use today is the dark brown from GalaxyGirlHair.com. Also, I had to do some two-step process like lace tinting on the lace itself because it came this really light beige color, and y'all already know how I feel about them light ass laces. Now, I mean, it's not a problem, but I do like working with laces that come tan, light brown, because it's way easier to match people's complexion. And yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did that. I have a video how I tint laces all types of brown, so I'm gonna put that in the comments below. All right, so the stocking cap is glued on there nice and secure. Now I'm gonna take my shears and cut that excess cap off. All right, so while we're doing this install, let's go ahead and get into this shop talk. And y'all already know, whatever happens in the shop stays in the shop. So a couple videos ago, I did a topic on how to recognize if a guy is wasting your time. So a guy commented under that video and he was like, can you talk about what a girl does, you know, to waste a guy's time? And I'm like, sure, why not? So even though, you know, the stipulations are pretty similar on each side, it's slightly different for females. Now, number one, how to tell if a female is wasting your time. And this is the most obvious sign ever. If she does not text you back, okay? Now, when females are into a guy, like sometimes they may wear their heart on their sleeves, or they may try to show them attention or show them, you know, that I'm the girl for you, or like, you know, intentionally like put out their energy. But if a girl is not texting you back, she's not interested, and most likely she is wasting your time. So that brings me to number two, how to tell if a female is wasting your time. If every time you talk to her, her responses are just dry, like they may be one word, or y'all can't carry a conversation for more than like 5 to 10 text messages. She's just talking to you to keep you on her roster. Like maybe she thinks that you have some type of value for her, or she wants to keep you in her back pocket because you're not her number one. She already has a number one, but she just wants to keep you around. Yeah, if her text messages are super dry and y'all don't really have no real chemistry, but for some reason y'all are still talking, it's a waste of your time. Now, number 3. Now, this one is a little bit controversial, so y'all can tell me your opinion on this one. Number 3, how to tell if a female is wasting your time, if y'all can only have fun when you're spending money on her. So if you and this girl only get along when you're taking her on a date or you're taking her shopping, buying her food or whatever, if that is the only time y'all can really connect, most likely she has more than one guy on her roster and she's just using you for what you're good for, which is buying her things or getting her nails done or feeding her or whatever the case may be. Now, the only reason why this is actually controversial is because a lot of females, they won't get to know a guy unless he's spending energy, and money is currency. You know what I'm saying? So if a guy isn't taking her out on dates or proving that he wants to, be in her life and he wants her to put in energy and effort, she's going to require him to court her, right? But if the courting goes on for like 6 months and y'all still haven't like really connected and y'all still only have fun when y'all are out spending money, it's like, yeah, you're being used for one thing and one thing only. So another way to figure out if a girl is wasting your time, this one is actually pretty funny. If the girl always catches attitudes with you, if she likes to little boy you, or if she just does not know how to control her emotions, or she don't even care about controlling her emotions for you, she is wasting your time because number 1, she does not respect you. Okay, I'm gonna tell you that right now. Any female that has toxic masculine traits and all they do is argue, yell, be bossy and stuff like that, they don't respect you at all. All right, so I don't know if I'm on 5 or 6 or 7, I don't know. But another way to recognize if a girl is wasting your time is if she only calls you or texts you when she needs something. Baby, my car just broke down. I need my tires changed. I need an oil change. You know what? I think I need a new car. If this girl only hits you up when you are getting a section and she wants to tag along, or when she needs her nails done, or when she needs her hair done, when she needs her makeup done, or a bill paid, yeah, she is wasting your time and you're a trick. Yep, you're a trick. All right, so number 8, and I don't even know if we're on number 8, but I'm just gonna say that. So how to know if a girl is wasting your time? If y'all have been dating for months and months and months and y'all still have not connected intimately. Now, this one is controversial as well because some people are saving it for marriage. Some people really want to get to know someone before, they have sex with them. But if it has been an extended period of time, you do not turn her on. You do not make her wet, and you do not make her pussy tickle, okay? So if she has been leading you on and making you spend money and making you court her for months and months and months, like 6 months, she's wasting your time. All right. As I go on with this list, I keep thinking of more and more and more things. So another thing is, if all she talks about with you is her exes or, her past guys, it's like, girl, I'm not your therapist. I'm not your mama. I'm not your best friend. Like, why are you bringing up other guys around me? Basically, she's not trying to waste your time if she does this, I will say, but her mind is naturally somewhere else. So she just may be using you to vent, honestly. So if she's always talking about her ex or always talking about some guy that did her dirty, most likely she still loves him. And you know what? This one is hard because you should never make someone feel like they can't express themselves around you. Like, stop talking about your nigga around me. Like, I would hate if the guy that I'm talking to told me that because it's like, damn, I can't even express myself. I can't even heal with you, But, if you're just talking about this guy over and over and over and y'all are never talking about each other or y'all never talking about y'all's future together, you keep just talking about the past, most likely this girl is just not healed and she is on her healing journey. And once again, she's just using you to vent. So that is my list of 10 things, if it was even 10 things, of how to determine if a girl is wasting your time or not. So if you guys agree or disagree, leave it in the comments below. Or if you can think of something else, then let me know as well, and let's talk about it. All right, you guys, so let's get up close and personal with these baby hairs. So y'all already know I'm using my Got To Be Glue gel to do these. And at this point, that's just my normal go-to. Like, I used to transition between the Got To Be Glue and the Tropical Root setting foam, but right now, I feel like either the Got To Be or Gorilla Snot, either one of those is just perfect right up my alley because it really holds the baby hair for days at a time. Like, your client is not going to be complaining about her baby hairs for a minute unless she literally tries to mess them up. And you know, another thing that I've been doing lately is doing 4 loops on each side, when before I used to only do 3. And I don't know why, like, my style just, you know, kind of just transforms and changes over time, but I've been liking the 4 swoop thing. Like, it just looks cuter to me. So what y'all think? All right, so the baby hairs are laid and slayed, honey. Okay, period. Nothing you can tell me. And now we're going to take our cotton round with some sea breeze and just clean off her skin because she has a lot of product on her skin that I don't want to dry on there and look crusty. So clean that off and wrap her up with the black wrap and sit her under the dryer for about maybe 10 minutes. All right, so I be having to spray the black wrap with a little bit of water because it be getting stuck to the Got To Be glue and it kind of rips off on the baby hair and it leaves, like, you know, little pieces of black shreds. So the water kind of makes it, you know, like sticky and loose, and it just comes off real easy. And speaking of transformation, I'm doing another new technique that y'all haven't seen me do probably ever, is flat ironing the top of the hair and making the bottom wet. So, you know, I'm used to like making the entire hair wet and just spraying it from the top down, but I've been seeing girls style their wet curly hair with like a hot comb on top and making the top flat and straight. And I'm like, okay, that's kind of cute. So I tried it today and I am in love. Like, it looks clean. It looks like, it just looks more like, I don't know, like done up to me. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. Like, my style is changing. My style of doing hair is changing with the times. And I'm like, oh my gosh. Like, even though I'm not in the shop, I can still practice my craft and still like improve. And I love that because, you know, I'm always going to be a hairstylist at heart, whether I'm in the shop or on YouTube. So this is the final result, you guys. Thank you so much once again, VShow, for sponsoring this video with this loose deep wave wig. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm gonna put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. Also, remember, if you want to see exactly how I did this color, then check the comments below. See y'all later.